Good morning, cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. I am putting together a rhubarb blueberry pie. What I've done, out of the freezer, I took a pie shell. I baked it for about 10 minutes. I poked holes in it and baked it so that the crust will be done on the bottom. I've put about a cup and a half of frozen rhubarb and about a fourth a cup of blueberries frozen. I put 1 cup of sugar over the top, and then I put a fourth cup of tapioca pudding so that it will soak up that moisture. Now I'm gonna do my Granny Ingalls topping for the pie, and it's just gonna be like a strudel. And I'm gonna do, this is about 3 tablespoons of butter, about half a cup of brown sugar, and about a fourth a cup of flour, all purpose. And then I'm gonna mash this up and get the butter incorporated, kind of like you would a dough. Now I'm gonna get my hands in here so I can feel it. Oh, I should have taken my jewelry off, but oh well. And what I want is crumbly. I want it to be crumbly. So I'm going to incorporate all of the dry mixture in with my butter. And then once that is crumbly, I'm simply going to crumble it over top of this pie. And I'm going to bake this pie on 400 for about 25 to 30 minutes until everything is golden and bubbly and the top will be brown. Okay, now let me bring my pie over, and I am literally going to just crumble and dump. This will give it a little crunch on the top. I don't want to waste any of that goodness. And that, my friends, is how we're going to do this rhubarb blueberry crumb pie. And it will be delicious, a wonderful summer treat. We might put a little ice cream, vanilla ice cream on the side. And that is what is for dessert tonight in my kitchen. Give it a try. Rhubarb blueberries with a crumble top pie. Thanks for following. See ya.